Lucia, and as you see, I'm surrounded by mangroves. In this special day, the World Wetland Day. Why we need to protect mangroves? Because they have a triple mission. First of all, they fight climate change. As you know, the mangroves absorbs 10 times more than the other forest of CO2. Secondly, because they protect biodiversity. More than 300 species lives in mangroves. And third one, because they protect the human from natural catastrophes like hurricanes. So I'm happy to announce that France will provide 3 million euros to OECS for a mangrove restoration project. And this project will be very useful to map the existing mangroves, but also educate people about the benefit of the mangroves. And of course, Martinique and Guadeloupe, that they have a big experience on mangroves, they will participate in this project. It is a good example of the regional cooperation and the cooperation between our islands and St. Lucia.